There is a seat there, but they can't figure it out. Is that comfortable? Right, we're off to Oxford then. It's going to be like a 20-minute drive. Hey, Toby. You sighted?
No, you have to shut it.
There we go, that's shut.
What are you looking for?
Trying to find me honker.
Ow!
Let's go. There are no seatbelts, that works out quite well. Lucky it didn't rain too much, there's a lot of cars here already.
The little kid with his phone out.
You've sussed out your seating now, look, that's better.
Once we got there.
Now you got it, you've sussed out the seating. Come on, Tobe.
Alright.
Good boy. Many leads. Sam, grab that lead. You all right, Jess?
Yeah.
So Jessie's just been on the tombola for the young farmers and she's won cannabis oil and moisturiser. So we can have a party when we get home. Hey, Toby. Let's give Toby a bit of that. It might calm him down.
Yeah, so they could be used that way. Basically, it's a case of what the individual operator could find that was